Hello, today we will guide you through how to contact Fashion Nova customer service. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Fashion Nova mobile app so you can quickly reach the right support option for your situation and get a faster resolution. Start by opening the Fashion Nova app on your device. Make sure you're on the latest version and connected to a stable internet connection for a smoother experience. Once the app loads, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen for the profile icon. It's typically labeled Profile and may show a silhouette or account avatar. Tap that to open your account area. If you're not already signed in, the app may prompt you to log in first so customer service can locate your orders and activity. Inside your profile, find and tap Help Center. This is the hub for support where you can browse common topics or submit a request. The layout can change occasionally with updates, but you'll generally see categories and guided prompts to narrow down your issue. If you're asked to enter an issue date or a due date, fill those fields accurately. For example, the issue date might be when the problem started, and a due date could refer to a return window or a promised delivery date. Providing precise dates helps the support team verify timelines and respond appropriately. Next, choose the category that best fits your situation. If you need to start or ask about a return, tap Return. This will lead you through return options, eligibility, and any required information. If your concern is about a delivery, tracking, or a missing package, tap Shipping to focus on shipping-related help. For questions about charges, refunds, promo codes, or anything that doesn't fit the other categories, tap Payments and General Question. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. You may be asked to select the relevant order, describe the issue in your own words, and upload photos or screenshots if they help explain the problem. Keep your description clear and concise, and have your order number handy. If you're unsure where to find it, check your order history within the app before proceeding. Before you submit, review your details for accuracy, especially dates, item names, and contact preferences. After submission, watch for confirmations in the app and in your email. If you don't see an update right away, allow some time for processing, then check the Help Center or your messages again. That's it. Open the app, go to Profile, enter the Help Center, provide dates if prompted, pick the right category, and follow the guided steps. This keeps everything organized and helps customer service get you the fastest resolution possible.